What's up, everybody? Bubba D's here. Make sure you click the subscribe button if you haven't already done so, and make sure you get the notifications as well so you know when I'm posting something. Today, we're doing a marinade and we're also doing a dry rub. So I'm going to basically break it down for you as quickly as I can. You're going to need some chicken thighs or whatever kind of meat that you have. This kind of works well with beef as well. You want to have some avocado oil or any kind of oil, some soy sauce to go along with it. Some lemon juice. This really helps break down the meat and gets that seasoning inside. Minced garlic or fresh, whatever you got. And some minced ginger or fresh, whatever one you got as well. And then some pepper and herb seasoning, similar to Italian herb seasoning. So if you don't have that, you can use that as well. And some paprika to give it that nice smoky flavor. So what I like to do is make sure that the meat is completely dry, washed and clean before I'm actually starting the marinating process. And I normally make sure that it's not frozen, guys. Makes a major difference. You want to go ahead and poke some holes in that. You can use a knife or you can use a fork. I just like to make sure that the meat is really opened up and as much holes in there as possible so that the meat and the flavor can actually really be inside every single bite that you take. So from there, I'm gonna get a freezer bag. I'm gonna go ahead and load up my chicken thighs in there. Really simple, don't create a mess. We're gonna dump all of the seasonings inside. So the garlic, the ginger, the herb and garlic or pepper seasonings, and then the paprika and some of the avocado oil and lemon juice, and then of course the soy sauce. We're gonna go ahead and close that bag all the way up, let all the air out, give it a nice little shake, and we'll put that aside in the refrigerator for 24 hours or a minimum of 30 minutes. For our dry rub, you're gonna need a brush. You're gonna need some oil, whether it's avocado oil, and then you're gonna need a seasoning rub. That one that you're seeing right there is my special blend, and I'll be able to show you guys and share with you a little bit later some of the cool, exciting things that I'm gonna be doing with that. So you wanna go ahead and coat all of your meat with the avocado oil or whatever oil you got. You're gonna go ahead and be generous with it. Some of it may fall off in the process of cooking. We will be barbecuing these, so I'm gonna go a little bit heavy on it. Give it a nice little pat, feel it down with your hands, make sure that the seasoning is stuck to the meat. And one of the interesting things is we wanna see which one tastes better. Is it really worth the 24-hour marinade, or is a dry rub just good enough? So we're gonna take this out to the barbecue. I'm gonna give it a really good time on the grill. Low and slow is what I like to do. So one side has no heat, the other sides have heat, and then I'm gonna cook it down to perfection. Let's see what the verdict is. What's up, everybody? Bubba D's here, and I'm gonna finally give this marinade dry rub versus combination a taste. So let's get started. This one is the marinade. Marinated it for 24 hours, and let's give it a taste. Now, well cooked. That's why I love chicken thighs. They're forgiving, moist, not dry at all. Getting the flavor of everything that was in the marinade. This is really, really good. Now, this is the dry rub. Now, this is a secret combination of blends that I've been putting together. Really, really intense flavors. Organic, I gotta say. And very, very low sodium. So I'm gonna give this a try. You can see all the different seasonings on the top of it. Didn't do any kind of marination, just kind of put the dry rub right on top. And let's give this a shot. Nice as well. You can get those really nice smoky undertones with it. Tasting a little bit of the onions that are part of this mix. You can taste the smoky paprika. Nice in there, but once again, extremely well cooked, moist. The seasonings didn't dry out the meat, and this is gonna be a tough one. So here, this is what we're gonna do. Not fair for me to judge. You guys comment below. Let me know which ones you prefer, whether it's the marinade or the marinade or the dry rub method when it comes to your cooking at home. And we'll kind of go with that. This is good. Anyhow, I'll see you guys next week. Yeah, I'll see you guys next week. I'll continue eating. Take care. Stay safe. Talk to you later.